Alright, I'm making another bike check. We'll start off from the front. I have some We the People bars, 8.5-inch rise, because I like to ride bigger bars. They're comfortable for me. They've never been cut down, and I think they're like 28 wide. And I put a Dance Comp sticker, if you can see that. Not really. And I have Odyssey keyboard grips, signature, Aaron Ross signature, something like that. And then I have screw-on bar ends. Can't really see that. I lost the par ends to the grips, so I had to use these screw-on. It's my stock stem. I repainted the faceplate. It looks nice now because I repainted it really well. And then I have my stock forks, and I'm still running the screw-on peg. Screw-on peg right there. I've used it a lot. It stays on nice, and it like hardly ever comes loose, but if it does, I can just screw it right back on. And the front is a 3/8 axle. The tires are like a bit worn from doing like a lot of foot jam tail whips. The hub, I lube it up once in a while. I just take off the wheel and I guess spray some lube and spin the hub around a bit. I don't literally open it up because there's loose ball bearings and they might come out. Oh yeah, and the tires are 20 by 1.95, same for the rear. Alright, and I added another spacer, so I have 1, 2, 3 spacers, and that gives me a little more height to my 8.5-inch rise bars. That's comfortable. And my Dance Comp 25-year sticker, it's a little bit off right there, as you can see, so I don't really like it. And here's my Fox sticker on the side. I like that one. Okay. And these are my dual Resolite PC pedals. They're nice. They're plastic. They're Poverty Carmi 3-piece cranks, unsealed bottom bracket. Yeah. I think I'm gonna get like a different frame and everything, cause I don't want to get sealed American bearings, cause I don't know, I just don't like American bottom brackets. They're like pretty big, and I don't want to ride like a mid bottom bracket or like Spanish. You can see the Poverty Carmi right there. They're 175 millimeters, and you should get them instead of using like Mongoose from those other crappy bikes. Alright, and then I have a white plastic bandana seat. It's like a real bandana, like placed over a pivotal seat, and yeah, it's messed up, so I'm getting a new seat. Got a demolition seat clamp, and this seat post is off of a stock seat post off of a 2012 Kink Liberty pivotal seat post. Alright, and let's see. I got a 22 tooth kink sound sprocket. It's a 22:9 ratio, cause I just got another sprocket, so I didn't want to use the stock 26 tooth. It's like weird, and I'm just using the stock chain because I had a half link chain and the pin was messed up, so it snapped, and I'm not riding that anymore. Alright, the back rim, got a stock peg off of a 2012 Kink Liberty. My rims are actually still in great condition. Tires are both 20 by 1.95. I recently opened up the hub and I degreased it, and then now it's like messed up because something, I think like I tightened up one of the cones too much, but it's really loud now, and I greased it, lubed it, and it's still kind of stuck, but it rides fine. Here, let me get the hub sound for you real quick. See if we can get that. Alright, I'm gonna give it one more spin just so you can see. Very loud. Spin. It didn't even spin for like half a minute. As you can see, it used to spin up to like at least half a minute. So, I mean, I wouldn't expect it even if it wasn't broken because it's an unsealed bottom bracket. I mean, unsealed hub with the crappy bearings in it. So, yeah. Well, anyways, that's my bike check. And, yeah. There you go. My hub is loud. I'll give it another kick. Oh, crap. Whoops. Alright, that's my bike check.